Hey guys, shout out to everyone who is into making tables, chairs, or working with resin and wood. Check out my new body. My husband and I went to a hardware store today and found this vacuum cleaner on sale. It was original price 130 euro, but we got it for just 70 euro. Now sit back, relax. My name is Natalia Rumina, and I'm here to teach you all about the magic of epoxy resin. I'll show you how to build framework for resin tables, in not just resin tables, how to make different styles of tables. I've got tons of tutorials here and on my learning platform Patreon. And I have private Telegram chat for my students. Message me if you want to do it. Oh, and I'll be editing a full video on how I made this table too, with all details. And if you have a question, please write me right now, and I help you. And you might be wondering, Nati, why do you need a vacuum cleaner for this? Well, guys, after pouring the resin and getting the table ready for the client, it needs to be sanded and either polished or varnished. But if you sand without a vacuum, you'll end up with a crazy amount of dust, and it's nearly impossible to get that perfect smooth finish. Trust me, I know, because this is actually my very first vacuum cleaner. And it's super easy to set up. Seriously, just like putting together a chair from IKEA. You just pop a dust bag inside, there's a filter, and that's it. One end of the hose connects to my sander, and the kit even came with a perfect adapter for my Makita 150. The other end goes into the vacuum itself, and I plug the sander into the vacuum outlet. That way, when I turn on the sander, the vacuum automatically starts to. Super convenient. There are cheaper vacuums without the power outlet, but honestly, there's not practical for me. I didn't think, and honestly, I didn't think I'll be able to put it together myself today, but it was actually super easy. So now let's get sanding and see the difference. Now, take a look at how much dust there is when you sand without a vacuum. You constantly have to stop and wipe the surface with a damp cloth. I'm covered in dust, everything around me is dusty too. After seeing this, my husband went out and bought me that Kercher vacuum. Girls, take a note. Now, let's talk about perfect sanding. I think you already figured out I've totally fell in love with this Kercher vacuum. The vacuum sucks up the dust so well, the sander practically glides over the resin like it's on a crucial of area. And the best part, it's clean. Everything stays clean around you, and you too. it's my favorite part. I centered the table surface. It's ready for the final finish. I'll be apply with the resin from Resin Pro Deluxe. It's super high viscosity resin, and I have promo code for 10% discount, 90 room. But now I've got a dilemma. Which side should be the top? The one with more wood or the one with less? What do you think?